everyone, today we are going to see how to remove the XPowered by header on the IIS server. We are going to use proxy tool like burp suite to intercept the request. Let us go to the IIS server and check the URL of the website, open the web browser and capture the request within burp suite and analyze the corresponding response. Upon examining, you will notice that the XPowered by header is visible. Let's see how to remove the XPowered by header. Go to the IIS server and open the configuration file of the IIS server. We have to add open angular bracket remove name is equal to XPowered by / closing angular bracket inside the HTTP protocol section in the configuration file of the IIS server, which is located at c/inetpub /www.root/test/web.config. Let us save the file and restart the IIS service. Now we will send the same request from the burp suite and observe the response. As you can see, the XPowered by header has been successfully removed from the response headers. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more cybersecurity related videos.